We're here in South Tottenham, London, where we're installing a new third track stretching 5.5 kilometres between Lea Bridge and Angel Road Station. This is part of our Lea Valley rail programme, which will enable 2 extra trains per hour between Stratford and the new Meridian Water station, providing more capacity, more trains and more seats for passengers. We've been working alongside our main contractor, VolkerFitzpatrick, to successfully deliver this key milestone. To carry out the work, we've used 2 Kirov cranes to lift over 3 kilometres of track over the last 2 weekends.
I'm Steve Jackson, Senior Project Manager for VolkerFitzpatrick. Behind you can see the 250 Kirov crane installing 60-foot track panels. This weekend we're installing in total of 90 track panels to accommodate 1.6 kilometres of plain line track.
We've had to close the railway line to passenger services in order to do this work, so we'd like to thank passengers for their patience while we carry out the work.